guys, so welcome to this video. Today we are learning how to stretch text in Photoshop. So first of all, select your background and then go to text, select text, and then type in your word stretch. Alright, so I'm using Nohemi, the font Nohemi, so something like this is okay. Alright, then you convert to shape. So right click on the layer and then convert to shape. But then you see that when I try converting it to shape, it doesn't work. Alright, so if you're facing the same challenge, make sure you come to this character here and then you switch off this button or this text style. If you're not seeing the character here, just simply go to Windows and then select character. Alright, now what you have to do is convert it to shape, and then after that you select the direct selection tool and then you select the portion where you want to stretch like this. Right, after selection, then you use the arrow tools and then pull it down like this, any way that you want it. So yes, so I think this is okay. Alright, because I didn't select it, well, this is how it looks. But then you can just play along with it and then manipulate stuff so that you get what you want. So thank you very much, and then subscribe, like the video so that we learn new things together. See you, and then stay tuned.